We are at Terminal 1 Lindbergh at Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport. These are the elevators in the gold parking garage. Go to 7. These are Montgomerys that got a slap-on mod by Schindler in the 90s and then got modded by Schindler again. Here are 8 or 7? 7.
Floor 7.
Let's go back down to T.
Going down.
I like that voice. Here's your COP. You have Innovation Bruiser buttons, ADA phone, 3,500 pound capacity. I do like these, although they are kind of boring at the same time. I like the glass back window. Here are T. I want to go on the other side, even though that's even more boring.
Floor T, exit here for access to Terminal 1. Going up.
Oh, you don't? That light's annoying. There it goes. Here we go.
Access to Terminal 1. Going up.
Now we're just gonna see some cars. Here we go. It's bright up here. Here at 7. There's the blue and red ramps over there. I'll go back and end it on T.
Going down.
Exact same as the other one. Nice brake. Ooh, a little shaky. Yeah, it's just cars. I mean, it's cool to see cars, but I'd rather see the view outside. These have held up well for over the past few years, though. There are T.
Floor T, exit here for access to Terminal 1.
I do like that voice. Oh, it's gonna be on peak up. That'll be it.